Hey guys, so my engineer here will show you how the room works. It's right there, the door is opened. If your house has electricity and running water, it will make sense to have a room that you can control all that, manage it. So this is my shop, and I'll show you where I get the electricity from in the first place. With a mix of Draenei and Consortium technology, I basically get energy from Azeroth herself. Like it's sucking up to here, getting potentialized and whatever, and then it comes all the way here, and it transforms into electricity right here, and here it distributes to wherever I want it to go. But it doesn't stay just here in my shop where I design things. It goes into the house as well. So that's why the suggestion from the last picture would show to put something outside, because you have one of the this thing inside to distribute and get the energy from a source, right? So inside you get it coming in through there and distributing to the breakers. Let me remove her. And so you have like the breakers for the house, right? You have a little station here with manual, tools, oil, whatever you need. In here, the water supply that comes from the ground and gets into the machine, gets distributed to the house, and is also powered by electricity right here. And you can control it. So it's annoying to farm everything, but it's worth it because it looks pretty cool. So I hope you guys like the blueprint.